Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with the Creality K1C 3D printer. If you're new to 3D printing or looking for an upgrade, stick around because this might just be the best option for beginners out there. The Creality K1C packs a punch with its impressive features. Let's start with its core strength, ease of use. This printer is practically plug and play straight out of the box. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, you'll appreciate the simplicity of setup and operation. One of the standout features is its auto-leveling capability. Say goodbye to manual bed leveling headaches with just a tap on the screen. The K1C takes care of calibration for you, ensuring optimal print quality every time. And let's not forget about the AI camera. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your prints, allowing you to monitor them in real time and catch any issues before they escalate. But what sets the K1C apart is its reliability. Built with a sturdy Core XY system and a clog-free extruder, this printer can handle hours of printing without missing a beat. Plus, with a maximum speed of 600 mm per second, you'll breeze through your projects in no time. Now, you might be thinking, but what about noise? Fear not. The K1C comes with a switchable silent mode, so you can enjoy quiet printing sessions even in the dead of night. And maintenance? Thanks to its quick swap tri-metal nozzle and stable extrusion system, you'll spend less time tinkering and more time creating. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the K1C's performance and reliability. From printing carbon fiber filaments to wireless printing convenience, the K1C delivers on all fronts. In summary, if you're in the market for a 3D printer that's easy to use, reliable, and packed with features, look no further than the Creality K1C. It's the best choice for beginners and seasoned makers alike. Ready to take your creativity to the next level? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Creality K1C today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy printing!